This week, the Viking.TV team of Heather and James are finally taking some well-deserved days off in Cornwall, I believe. So there'll be no live Q&As, but nonetheless lots of great programming as we rededicate a week to art here on Viking.TV. There's lots going on at the Munch Museum in Oslo, and on Monday we return there for more backstage access and insights. Then on Tuesday, we join Alistair for a special episode of In Conversation, recently filmed on board the Viking Venus during her inaugural voyage. Alistair meets artist Daniel Wurtzel, who installed one of his stunning air fountains on board the Viking Venus as part of her naming ceremony, which was breathtaking in every way. And if you haven't seen Daniel's work, please watch Alistair and Daniel in Conversation on Tuesday, or simply Google Daniel Wurtzel and air fountain. I think you'll be able to find some videos probably on YouTube. They are spectacular, ethereal and mesmerizing. We were so fortunate to have one on board the Viking Venus. So I hope you enjoy meeting him with Alistair on Tuesday. We revisit another favourite episode on Wednesday as we joined filmmaker Margie Kinmouth to explore the art collection of the British royal family in her celebrated film The Royal Paint Box. Margie will be taking us behind the scenes and telling us about how this film was shot, as well as answering any of your questions, though of course these will have been pre-recorded, so no live Q&As. I'm sorry about that, but there are Q&As that are being answered in this pre-recorded version. And then on Thursday, we rejoined Viking Venus. In fact, we rejoined Viking Venus's godmother, Anne Diamond, for another look at her interview with our friend William Lobkowicz to discuss his work preserving the incredible Lobkowicz collection. And if you're going to Prague, please make sure to stop in at their palace inside the Prague castle walls. It houses artworks and objects of huge cultural significance, both artistic and musical. Then in a new episode on Friday, we join the crew of the Viking Orion, currently sailing around Bermuda to explore the art collection on board. The crew will be telling us about their favourite pieces, why they love them, and what they mean to them. Then on Saturday, Mona practices her very own art form of yoga. And on Sunday, please join me to explore art around Europe, from Munch to Michelangelo to Gaudí. So that's what we have planned for you this week, dedicated to art on Viking.TV. We hope you're well and perhaps already traveling, and if not, looking forward to exploring the world again. And we all look forward to seeing you. Bye for now.